Again, unorthodox, but damn effective. Some of it is old and dead. Some of it is thriving just fine. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim it pretty far back to the main stem, which you see down there, and I'm gonna see if it comes back to life. As you can see, the main stems are pretty thick and gnarly. But let's see how far back we can prune these guys. I guess this is a little unorthodox. Again, unorthodox, but damn effective. Look at all this foliage. Look how thick these stems are. Up here you can see new growth. Down here you can see tons of tomatoes. Anyway, let me show you what I'm gonna do with this. Here's the pile. Here's a little raised bed I built out of some pallets. That's all old fencing down there. I throw it at the bottom. That's what I did with this one here. Just put a little topsoil on the top, but you can see there's all kinds of fencing in there. There's actually a tree stump in there, and I just built this around it, hoping it would break it down. There's some coconuts in there. But you can see I just threw some seeds here. These are donor, either they're jalapeno or they're banana pepper. And I just threw the seeds everywhere in here. And you guys already know what's going on. It's just flooded with peppers. So, time to throw that into here. All right, it's in there. And yeah, there is some viable fruit here, like this one. Wonderful. But next time, I will be trellising these on the Dutch buckets so they don't grow on the floor. Very hard to harvest, very hard on my back. You lose quite a few fruit. So yes, you can grow it on the floor, but when you got to reach over 6 foot of vine to grab the ripe ones, it's not easy. Look at the stem, humongous. All right, let me compact this down. You might be saying right now, Bob, I put so much time and effort into my raised bed. What do you put in here? When I tell you I put everything in here, I put everything in here, and this is what I got. Beautiful peppers. Let's keep filling it up. Kobe! Kobe! Oh. Kobe! Oh God. Kobe! Nope. So yeah, there's a lot of online gurus saying what you can and cannot put in your raised bed. But it ain't that serious. The earth is one real crazy Mother Nature. Well, that wraps up this video as I water my raised bed. We did give the hydroponic tomatoes a quick and easy haircut. I no longer have to reach over 6 feet of vines to reach my beautiful ripe tomatoes. You can see there's still a bunch on here and there's new growth. Anyway, there is the beautiful firehouse buckets that you're all used to. Till next time, like and subscribe. Peace.